Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be partnering up with Revlon to show you guys my current eyebrow routine. So I've been loving two eyebrow styles lately. I've been loving a very natural, fluffy, brushed up, hair stroked eyebrow, as well as a very intense brushed down hair stroke eyebrow, which is the one I have on right now. This is like the Instagram brow. This is like the very glam brow. So I decided to show you guys both of those styles, and I will be incorporating Revlon eyebrow products. I also decided just to complete the glam on camera so you guys will see how I achieved this very natural but a pop of color glam look. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing my eyebrow methods, my eyebrow routine, my eyebrow tutorial, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Our first brow style is a very natural and fluffy brow. To achieve that, we will be using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in the shade dark brown. It also comes in soft black, soft brown, auburn, as well as blonde. We also will be using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse in the shade soft brown, and it also comes in 4 other shades: auburn, soft black, dark brown, as well as blonde. The pencil has a spoolie on the other side of it, which is perfect. I'm going to use that to brush my brow hairs straight up. It is also retractable, so you can twist it up and down, girl. You ain't gotta sharpen it, you good. With a very soft and light hand, I'm going to flick the brow pencil upwards in the direction in which I brushed my brow hairs up. In the meantime, in between time, I'm going to use that spoolie just to evenly distribute that product throughout my brows, so I'm not putting too much color in one area of my brows. And I'm just going to continue to go back and forth between flicking up that pencil throughout my brows and taking that spoolie and brushing my brow hairs and distributing that product until I achieve my desired fullness. Now my brow is not going to maintain its neatness, okay? We're going to use some concealer to clean her up. This is just a rough draft, y'all. Okay, moving on to the brow mousse. It's kind of like a mascara for your brows. So you just twist it up. I like to distribute it onto the back of my hand so it evenly coats the combs. And then I'm just going to put that throughout my brows to hold my brow hairs up so it can maintain that position. And it just really holds your brow hairs in place. It locks them in place. It's kind of budge proof. Like, it really just locks your brows in place. And I just wanted to define my brow hairs so they have a moment, okay? And I'm also going to take that spoolie on the pencil just to evenly distribute that brow mousse. And I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer and a concealer brush and clean up the tops of my brows and really arch out and define the arch of my brows, and then blend that out. And then I'm also going to do the same exact thing to the bottoms of my brows so we can get a very clean and presentable looking natural fluffy brow. I just take that spoolie one more time just to really brush those hairs up. I like to feather out the fronts of my brows, and this is the natural and fluffy brow style. She's very clean, very presentable, very job interview. Our second brow style is a very intense and glam brow, and to achieve that, we will be using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit in the shade dark brown. It also comes in soft brown, blonde, and soft black. I just forgot to grab soft black off my desk, girl, but it exists. Okay, we're going to take an angled liner brush. It did come with these 2 brushes, but we ain't going to use those, girl. They're a little too small for the hands. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs down and distribute that brow powder throughout my entire brow, slowly and surely building up that intensity. I'm also going to take that spoolie on the other side of that pencil or brush so we can evenly distribute that brow powder so we're not putting too much brow product in one place in our brows. And I'm just going to slowly build up that very intense and glam brow. I like brow powder for this because the brow is intense, but it's also soft. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up the tops and bottoms of my brows the same way I did before. Once I have reached that desired fullness, that desired glam, that desired intensity of our brows. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and take that brow mousse, same shade, soft brown, and I'm going to distribute that in a downward motion throughout my brows to set my brows and define my brow hairs. I'm also going to take a blank spoolie just to evenly distribute that brow mousse, and this completes our intense and glam brow. To finish off the face, we're going to create a soft liner look, glowy skin with a pop of color. I'm going to mix the shades Toast and Caramel of the Revlon Color Stay Foundation, and I'm just going to stipple that onto my face with a beauty sponge. This is a 24-hour wear foundation, so it is on the matte side, but it's actually a very beautiful foundation. I'm going to apply some concealer under my eyes, on my chin, my nose, and my forehead just to bring some light to the center of my face, and I'm also going to apply it to my eyelids just to prep my lids for our eye look. I'm going to apply some translucent powder just to set my under eye concealer, and I'm going to apply some face colored powder to set the rest of my face, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that into my skin. I'm going to take this Revlon blush in the shade Bronze Beauty with a Revlon contour brush, and this was a little on the lighter side, so it gave the perfect subtle soft bronze appearance to my face. So I just put that in the places I like to be slightly chiseled, which are my cheekbones, my nose, and my jawline. I'm going to take this 2-in-1 angled Kajal pencil. I'm going to put that on an angled liner brush so I can create a very soft liner, and so I have more control. So we're not going for a very intense wing, we're just going to go for a very soft wing, a soft and subtle wing. And I'm also going to take that same angled liner pencil and tight line my upper waterline. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeliner pencil in the shade Sapphire to add a pop of color to our lower lash line. I'm going to go into this Galaxy Dream holographic highlighting palette. I'm going to go into the last shade, which is like a blue highlight, and I'm going to put that right on top of the liner we placed on our lower lash line because I thought a blue highlight on top of blue liner would be beautiful. I'm going to apply these 3 mascaras to my top and bottom lashes. The names will be down below. I'm going to finish off the face with some blush. And I'm also going to highlight the high points of my face. I'm going to hit up my cheekbones, my nose, the tip of my nose, the upper bridge of my nose, as well as my Cupid's bow. And this completes the look. Stay tuned because I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Okay, you guys, so this completes my eyebrow routine tutorial of the 2 brow styles that I've been loving lately. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you become part of my family, okay? I would love to have you join me on my makeup journey. Be sure to check the description box for all Revlon products I use in this video. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Marilena, I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but thank you so much for having my post notifications on. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support and your love. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure to hashtag notification gang or notification squad. After your comment, subscribe to my channel, of course, and tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, as I do try to upload about 2 to 3 videos every week. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.